Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Joy from Be the Difference Clothing. How are you this lovely day? I'm here because I want to do a review. And this is technically an unboxing because it came without a box. So before I get into that, please discover and maybe entertain hitting that like button and the subscription button on your way in or out, whichever. But either way, also share out this video because this is a cool gadget and I think that you would enjoy it. It's called Luminar Outdoor and it's from Harbor Freights. So I'll definitely have a link somewhere in the description if you would like to pick up this handy dandy little piece of equipment. Now, it comes with ooh, that's pretty dope. It comes with three AA batteries, and it's cool. It's got handles, so you can carry it like this. You're probably saying at this moment in time, Joy, cut to the chase. What is it, dear, that you're doing? So this little nifty thing is a light. Watch. Maybe I might need some shades, but maybe I might not. So basically, it's an outdoor light. It's cool. What I think is cool about this too is like it has these hooks and a handle. So it's like a lantern. And I think if you were out camping or something, you can hang it on your tent. Um, there's many things that you can do. If you having a barbecue and you want some little lights on the side, you can put your light on there. Or if you want it to be a little bit more romantic, you can dim your light even more. So let's get to it. So pretty much all you have to do is this. Don't look too close. Ah, wow. Isn't that dope? There's lights on all three sides. Oh. There we go. That's pretty dope. You close it back down. Let's see. Now, to open or close, if we wanted to change that light bulb or the batteries, here it is. And this is where the three AA batteries are, and that's what they gave you. So I'm not sure about the how long these lights would actually last, but it's pretty bright. Yeah, it's pretty light. It says do not stare into the beam for sure. These are the warnings. Keep away from kids. It contains small particles and don't mix the old and new battery. You know how like sometimes we're like, oh man, we only have two, and you figure the two is strong enough to hold and carry out the third one. This is saying no, no, no. Change all three when they go. There you go. You can look at the warning and the label right there. Hopefully you see that really good. Hopefully, hopefully, hopefully. I think this is a nifty piece of equipment. Really cool. Even a light is shining through there. So again, when you are out and about, if you're in the woods or maybe you might need to work on your vehicle or maybe you might even need to light up your house or something like that. Like, all the blackouts that we've been experiencing lately, I think this is handy for all occasions and definitely something good to have. So God forbid if you're on the highway and then you get caught out there, you're going to want something like this to illuminate, like they said, illuminate your life. So I like this. I hope you do too. Consider purchasing it for yourself, for your family. Shoot, you can use this on the side of the road. If the car is stalled out, you could use this, yeah, pretty much for anything outside of just camping alone. I think this is a great little asset. Very low cost too. Look at that. And it's lightweight too. It's not even heavy, like one finger. I would say this is about 3 ounces or four. And the batteries probably add all the ounce to it. So definitely a nifty tool. Go ahead, hit that little description bell or description section if you would like to even inquire about where you can purchase this. Again, this is a product from Harbor Freights. And, you know, definitely consider buying it. Outdoor Luminaire. I love it. Thank you guys for creating a product like this. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people will benefit from using this technology, this equipment, and it's so lightweight and easy to manage. I think it's great. So that's all I have for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, again, turn on your notification bells. Also, check out a few of the other unboxings that I've done. Check out the description below if you want me to unbox something for you or do a review. And I'll see you guys soon. One more thing. Before, when I had this, it was like you were seeing a little bit of lights illuminated. Make sure you close it down tight so that it goes off and you're not burning the batteries, okay? So that's how it's gonna look when it's closed. You won't see any light coming through, okay? So definitely consider getting this. And all you have to do is pull and shut. Very nice tool. All right, that's it. See you soon.